Now let us deal with implicit and explicit joining method. Whenever we are trying to divide input into different physical line, then there will be an error. For example, in the above Visual Studio Code, I am writing only print hello. Okay, in the single inverted comma print hello, and there is no ending, and the closing parenthesis is in next line, okay, with a space followed by it. So whenever we try to write rest of the words in next line, falling error will be popped out. So I'll be trying to run the above code. So when on running the above code, you get syntax error EOL while scanning string literal. Okay, so such problems can be overcome with the help of implicit and explicit joining method. Now let us see what is implicit joining method. In an implicit joining method, the expression is being splitted into multiple lines using either with the help of parenthesis, curly lines, or square brackets. So let us see all one by one in implicit joining method. First we'll be displaying using curly braces. Okay, so here what we are writing, one day's objects set object has been created. So it contains input variables, the characters inside. This set object will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Since these are sets, so order is totally random. Okay, so on running, we'll be getting output as Thursday, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Okay, so I'll just comment one more thing, which is I've just written here, and directly will execute it again. See, the output here is different right now as compared to this. Okay, this is a set object. We'll learn about set object, so don't worry about it. Next is using square brackets. Okay, same example, but here instead of this curly braces we are using square brackets. So here we are writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then in next 9 Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then in next 9 Sunday. Okay, with the help of this square brackets. So on running, we'll get output, but it will be in order. Okay, only the set gives the output in a random order. Another, if we'll see with the help of parenthesis, I'll just remove this triple dots is a documentation string. Okay, we'll learn about it. So I'm running, we're getting output Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday. See, these two are in normal order whatever we have written, and this set is in random. Okay, this was all about this implicit joining method. If somebody asks us, can we write comments in blank lines in implicit joining method? Can we write? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. I'll show you. We can write comment after the line. So this is comment 1. This is comment 2. Okay. And here I'll write comment 3. Is it possible? Will it throw any error? No, not at all. It is not throwing any error. Okay. Can we include blank lines? This was all about comment, but can we include blank lines? Blank line means this output will be in the next line. Okay. When I'll execute, just save this. When I'll execute, yeah, we'll get output. Okay, can we include a comment and blank lines both? Yeah, this will be blank lines and this will be comment. C1, C2, and this is a C3, right? When I'll execute, we'll get output. Okay, so we can include comments and blank lines also in implicit joining method, right? So this was all about implicit joining method. Now let us deal with the explicit joining method. In explicit joining method, we are using the backward slash to split the input. Backward slash is this. This is the backward slash. Okay, and this is the forward slash. So here we are using backward slash to split the input. The backward slash is used to join the logical lines together in such a manner that they are declared in a single line. Okay, so let us deal with this example. So here what we are doing, here we are writing hello with the help of backward slash, and then in the next line we are writing welcome beginners. Okay, so let's see, hello welcome beginners will be the output. Okay, so instead of writing the logic in one line, we have used backward slash and continued the half logic in another line. Okay, this way of writing is very much allowed. But there are some points, key points, which is to be taken care in the explicit joining method. Okay, there should not be any comment after the backslash character. In explicit joining method, there should not be any comment, but in implicit joining method, we are writing comments. Okay, in each line. Here we are writing comments. See, here we are writing comments, right? So here we are writing comments. This is a simple output. It's checking the logic. Okay, x here we have taken, we have created one variable object x equal to 12 and integer object x equal to 12. Is 12 greater than 10 or 12 is less than 9? Okay, any of the condition we are trying to check it up. So in executing, we're getting output here as false. But suppose if you write comment after this backslash character, we get output. Okay, syntax error, unexpected character after line continuation character. Okay, so make sure we cannot write comment after this. So no comments after the backslash character, otherwise we'll get output as syntax error, right? Also, a backslash can continue only with the string literals. It cannot work with other literals. I'll tell you. Here you have written backslash with some string. Hello, welcome, beginners. Okay, but if you try to use with some integer I equal to 3 and backslash 2, definitely will get output as an invalid syntax. Syntax error, invalid syntax. Okay, so this was all about the implicit and explicit joining method.
मोगेम्बो खुश हुआ